I'm sure you've heard the news. AI is taking over. Here are the top 5 tools that will change everything in 2025. First up, ChatGPT 5 from OpenAI. Imagine a language model that can reason, handle multiple types of media, and check facts in real time. Businesses, teachers, and creators, this one's for you. Next, meet Google Gemini. This AI processes text, images, and video all at once. It's going to change how we search and interact with tech. Number 3, MidJourney V6. Need breathtaking visuals in seconds? Designers and marketers, this AI brings your ideas to life instantly. Fourth, Runway AI. Create entire videos with just text prompts. Filmmakers and digital marketers, the future of video production is here. Last but not least, Tesla Optimus. An AI-powered robot for real-world tasks. From warehouses to homes, Optimus is a game-changer in automation. And as promised, here's a tease for our bonus AI tool. Secret tool. Subscribe and turn on notifications to find out more in our next video. Which AI tool do you think will have the biggest impact in 2025? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech AI for more exciting tech insights.